Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about a easy level problem from LeetCode. The problem name is ransom note. As you can see, you are given two string ransom note and magazine. Return true if ransom note can be constructed by using letters from the magazine, or else return false. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. So it's simple. You can see that you have a ransom note. By ransom note means that you have to create a message. You have to create some message, and the message can be created by using the alphabets from the magazine. So you have seen in different movies as well that they cut out the magazine's alphabet, stick them together to form a ransom note so that no one can understand their writing. In the similar way, you have a magazine and the magazine has different alphabets. Now, your overall idea here is that you can cut out and use the letters from the magazine to create a ransom note. Is it possible or not? That's the overall problem statement. Now, as you can see, the magazine only has the letter B and the ransom note has a letter A. That is false. You cannot make it. In this also, the magazine has A and B and the ransom note is AA. Still, you cannot make it because the magazine has one A and one B, but you want two A's. Okay, so you just assume that a magazine is just a collection of letters. You can reshuffle these letters and have to form this ransom note. Okay, in this as well, as you can see, now the magazine has two A's, so you can take both of these and form a ransom note. Okay, so that's the overall statement. How you can do that? It's pretty much simple. You just have to find the count of every character in the magazine and then start building the ransom note by taking the characters from the magazine. If it is possible, then it is returned true. If at any point you get lack of any character that you want to form in the ransom note, then return false. Nothing much complicated. So what we have done is that we have created a map of characters to integer, because what all characters have occurred how many times, you have to show that inside a map. You will iterate over the magazine and first store out the frequency of every character inside the map, then iterate over the ransom note. And what you have to do is that you will take out every character from the magazine, that is MP, and put it inside the ransom note. But at any point, if the particular character you want to put inside the ransom note is not available in the magazine, such that if you try to put that character and find out in the map and its occurrence becomes 0, which means that it is already exhausted, so return false because it is already exhausted and you still want that character, which means that you have to return false. If it is present, then you will use that character, which means its count has to be decreased by 1 in the map. So take that character and decrease its count by 1. In the end, if it doesn't hit this condition, which means that you have properly used some of the characters to form the ransom note, then it is fine, return true. Else, if you hit this condition, which means that you have find out a particular character that you are not available but you required it, then return false. Nothing much complicated here itself. That's the complete logic and the code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Till coding, and bye.